What is understatement? Understatement is opposite of exaggeration. Exaggeration, that is hyperbole. Whenever we do, we just undervalue the enormity, the grandiosity, the intensity of something, okay, by telling it in a very plain and less effective manner. A very relatable example is what that who she is housewife. Okay, but actually, what does she do with the house? Okay, she cooks, she cleans. Okay, she does the laundry. She takes care of the entire house, of the entire shape of the house. Okay, so when we say just okay, she does only the housework. So this is understatement. Okay, then if I give you the example of from literature, so you must have read Macbeth. Okay, after getting things done, Macbeth said it was just a rough night. Okay, so here he is minimizing or he is downplaying the enormity and the intensity of such a criminal deed that he had done by calling it just because of mine. Classroom context example of exaggeration is that if some student is very good at math and the teacher says, okay, he is doing good in maths. Okay, so rather than telling that he is a math genius, you are just saying that he is just good at maths. Okay, so this is an understatement, and we do it on purpose to bring the irony or to create a humorous situation. Whatsoever is our intention, we do it for that. And now, if I give you the example of understatement from our society, so a celebrity died, the people are saying that just because she has cut off the ties from the family, okay, so that is why she had got this miserable death. Understatement. We are not uncovering the fact that what cruelty and what atrocity the society must have shown to a person who has caused him to go in such isolation and living a life, okay, where she is cut off, okay, and she has met this death. This is also understood.